Daddy Cool Cash. Summer heat got you sweating? Don't worry, baby. Big Daddy Cool Cash here to make it right. We are blowing out the competition and blowing out Cool Cash all over SoCal. Redlands and Henry Bush and Carrier Cool Cash promo? Yeah. We're dropping up to $1,700 off of the AC install. Let's get you up to $1,700 off with Carrier Cool Cash promo.
At Redlands and Henry Bush, we're all about keeping you cool and saving you money this summer. Right now, you can get up to $1,700 off a brand new Carrier AC system with Cool Cash. Redlands and Henry Bush, where cool meets dependable.